Last week, I cried over a blog post. Not because it was beautiful, because I'd been staring at a blank page for 4 hours. If you're nodding along right now, you need to click that link in the description for a special lifetime deal on Writeseed AI Content Writer. Your sanity will thank you. So, what exactly is Writeseed? It's basically your new best mate for creating content without losing your mind. This AI-powered writing tool can generate everything from blog posts to product descriptions in minutes, not hours. The best bit? Writeseed can create up to 30 articles at once. 30! While other AI writers are still warming up, Writeseed's already finished the job and popped the kettle on. With over 70 templates, it handles blogs, emails, ads, social posts. You name it. It even optimizes your content for SEO and can write in multiple languages. Fancy, right? And unlike some posh AI tools that cost an arm and a leg, Writeseed is actually affordable for us normal humans. There's even a free plan to get you started. Now, I'll be honest, it's not perfect. You'll still need to add your human touch for that extra sparkle. But that's miles better than staring at a blank page until your eyes bleed, isn't it? It even has a Chrome extension and mobile app, so you can create content anywhere. Yes, even from the loo. I won't judge. Compared to fancy pants options like Jasper AI, Writeseed gives you more bang for your buck, especially with that bulk content creation. So if you're tired of sacrificing sleep at the altar of content creation, click that link in the description for a special lifetime deal. Your dark circles will thank you. And your readers will never know you wrote that brilliant article in your pajamas while watching telly.